All right, part 3. I had to go in and cool this phone down again. So we went through all of this, going back to the rear end now, which is just beautiful. So the rear end shock been redone and polished. It looks beautiful. Your dog bone in here has been polished, all new hardware everywhere. Your brake has been completely redone with a billet brake stay under here. This is all new, everything. Brake disc, all of it, brand new. You can see inside the wheels is as nice as the outside. All new rubbers back here. Everything is brand new. New bearings for the rear end. New O-ring gold chain. And a polished aluminum rear skid plate. These were black from the factory, but they were thin, and I just feel like a thicker aluminum plate polished matches the rest of the plates, which are aluminum polished. I just like the look better, so that's a hill I'll die on. Yeah. And I'm taking a longer form video this time, because I don't feel like the last couple of times it's kind of just, I feel like I was missing a lot. So this is allowing me to go through everything. You've got your factory brake, not e-brake, but your parking brake. That's the word I'm looking for. Your factory parking brake here. It works great. Yeah, super sweet. Here's the other side here. This is cold zinc on the rear end here, your axle. And we'll move up here. So you've got a brand new, as you can tell, I even took the plastic off there, brand new light. A very, very nice toolbox. This has all been polished, both of these. If I can get in here. Your coolant reservoir. There's your shock reservoir. It's been polished. Got your factory stickers, your warning label here, your shower sticker. No tools in the toolbox yet, but when it's before it's sold, and I probably haven't mentioned that this bike is for sale, you will have freshly zinced tools. I sent those off, factory tools. They will be in there to complete the whole masterpiece here. Your rear. As you can tell, you know, marks from it being OEM, and you know, I had to go into these. This is the worst wheel by far, but I went into those and sanded those down and polished. I even polished the nicks. That way, when the color was put on, it looked, it didn't look any different from the rest of it. So, again, there's your powder-coated foot pegs and all your new hardware there. We are to the clutch side. Or, I'm sorry, stator side. So, this looks pretty OEM, but it is not. This is an upgraded chain guard. slash case guard that I found, and I painted that to match and to look OEM. You have a brand new 36 millimeter carburetor. So it's an upgrade from, I believe it was the 34 that came on these bikes from the factory. All of your stuff on your tank is new, so your on and off here is new. Top end's new. Your coil is a Honda coil, all new. This is a Rick stator. So all your wiring is new, as you can tell there, going all the way up, everything. OEM shifter. Billet head stay. I think it's what they call them. Billet head stay, but it's basically your header goes on here, and it's held on by two brand new high strength springs. All of your cables are new, all of them but the parking brake cable, which was fine. If you've got a good old school Honda cable, especially if you've got a bike that, you know, hasn't been beaten all to hell, if you can save stuff, save it, you know, because they don't make it like they used to. Yeah, so that's about it. The top end, again, I'll have pictures of that, completely redone. The bearings in the bottom end have been redone. Whole motor been redone. All electrical new car, everything's new. And man, it's super, super sweet. Turn my phone here. All the factory stickers on it. So at this point, I'm gonna just go over the top of the bike. New thick rewrapped vinyl seat. Honda 4 Trx, looks very good. HRC closed circuit Japanese sticker here. Yeah, throttle cable brand new. And this is the one to where it has multiple things you can adjust. You can adjust it here, you can adjust it here, and then down on the carburetor. It's all fully adjusted. On off switch new. I'm sure I'm missing a lot. I try to take a little longer form videos this time. Oh, grab bar, freshly powder coated, lightweight aluminum grab bar. I have the factory grab bar that I can throw with it, and I have the factory radiator, both in good shape. I just decided to go the route that I went. All right, let me pause this and push it out in the sun.